Hi everyone, welcome to your Careers and Employability Induction Screencast. My name's Nick, I'm an employability advisor based in the Sheffield Business School, and this screencast will focus on the Careers and Employability Service and how we can support you this year as a SHU student. So as returning students, you probably are aware of the Careers and Employability Support offer. However, here are some reminders. We offer employability advice, advice on work experience, finding work opportunities, so whether this is internships, placements, part-time work or graduate roles. If you're interested in working for yourself, we have support for this through the enterprise team who are based at the Hallam iLab. And we also have ongoing support for graduates after their final year. You may be aware, but we've moved from Careers Connect and are now based in the Owen building. So we have an exciting new career space at City Campus on level 2 of the atrium. This is where we offer appointments, drop-in sessions and workshops. And we will also continue to offer appointments and drop-in sessions at Collegiate Campus as well. Sheffield Hallam support for you is made up of 3 key contacts: an academic, student support, and employability advisor. One will help with your studies, one provides personal support or advice you need, and one helps you start or advance your career. So we'll be with you every step of the way. We'll get to know your needs and interests, giving you a dedicated personal support service from the moment you start right through to graduation. Here's a reminder that we offer 3 different types of appointments, so it is important that you choose the right one so you get the correct support. Advice appointments are 30 minutes to help support with CVs, applications, interview preparation, searching for job roles, and discussing the next steps. You can book advice appointments online or by visiting the careers desk. Guidance appointments are 40 minutes for students struggling with a decision, course change, career options, or deciding the next steps. And you can contact us to book a guidance appointment. And our interview slots are 45-minute practice interviews to prepare you for a real-world interview that you've been invited for. Again, you can contact us to book for a practice interview. We have lots of great online resources to help with all aspects of your employability journey. So please head to www.shu.ac.uk/careers for online application advice, information about our employability programs, and this is also where you can book your advice appointments with an employability advisor. The enterprise team are here to support you with your startup business ideas. So they are based on floor 6 of the Aspect Court building and are happy to support you with lots of different workshops and events. Heading into your final year is the perfect time to start thinking about your levels of work experience, as graduate employers will value all types of work experience, so this is important to factor in. The more experience that you have aligned to your chosen career path, the better, although don't panic if not. Graduate employers will be keen to know which transferable skills you have developed through previous volunteering placements and even your part-time jobs. Online work experience is also valuable, so check out job simulation experiences through Forage and also check out LinkedIn Learning for additional training you can undertake in your chosen industry. The Careers and Employability Service will do all we can to help you find work opportunities. We have an autumn and spring careers fair this year where over 100 employers will be on campus to talk to you about their opportunities. We also have lots of graduate employers on campus throughout the year, so please keep checking Handshake to book onto these sessions as well. As you enter your final year, it's worth reflecting on your achievements at university so far and thinking, what do you have to offer graduate employers, and ensure that you make the most of your final year. So my advice would be to look for gaps in your skill set and use this year to bridge these gaps, whether this be through work, volunteering, or other extracurricular activities. The table on the screen will give you a good indication of how you should be developing outside the curriculum as a Hallam student. In your final year, use this year to ensure that you're attractive to graduate employers and take all the opportunities that come with being a final year student. Think about maybe doing the Hallam Award or becoming a student ambassador alongside your part-time work and volunteering. Your career support doesn't end when you finish your studies. We have a targeted programme of support within the first 15 months. This can be the Careers and Employability newsletter starting in your final year, employability boot camps, graduate mentoring, and career clinics. Visit our social media sites to find out more, and you can also visit shoe.ac.uk/careers/graduates to find out more information about the programmes on offer. Thank you for listening to this short introduction to the Careers and Employability Service. You can find us using the information on the screen, and the QR code will take you directly to the Careers and Employability website, where you can book an appointment and access all of our online resources.